Okay, let's talk about this last section here, what a bank reconciliation provides. Remember, we did a bank account, focusing on a bank account. A bank account does give you a safe place to put your cash, which is good. In addition to that, it provides a detailed list of all the cash transactions that managers, accountants, whatever, can use this detailed list of everything that went through the bank account and compare it to the books to make sure the books are correct, or make sure that the bank doesn't need to make an adjustment. Settling out this business between the book and the bank, and this list of cash transactions is useful, focusing on a bank account and its benefits. Focusing now on a bank recon, though, a bank reconciliation controls cash. The first thing it does is it gives you the balance that should be on the balance sheet for the name cash. Remember, we were able to reconcile and get our cash amounts on both, and that reconciled amount gets slapped on the balance sheet as cash. Another thing it does is ensures that the bank and book records of cash are correct. It gives you an opportunity with the bank rec to see if the books are recording cash correctly, and also if the bank is recording cash correctly, because there can only be one correct version of the truth, and you want to make sure these are equal. The last thing it does is ensures that the company accounts for all of its cash transactions correctly. Notice it's all, but all of its cash transactions. So you could screw up an accounts receivable, you could screw up an accounts payable, you could book an accounts payable when you should have booked a receivable. I mean, you can do all sorts of things, but inside explicitly the cash account, one of the things it does is it lets you make sure all your cash transactions at least are right. Whether the other side of the entry got accounted for correctly or not is another completely different question. Um, Look at the others. Let me see if I can get out of here. Well, it's going to knock me out, I'll bet. Yeah, I can't look at the others. If you look at the others are ruled out. Like it says ridiculous things like detects fraud. One of them, it says it gives you a place for safekeeping. Well, a bank reconciliation doesn't give you that. But these are the things that a bank reconciliation allows you to do, and these are the things that a bank account allows you to do. I hope you found this useful.